Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 11 and today we are going to present a topic about definition, principles, and procedure of materials development. Okay, before we start, let me introduce the member of our group. My name is Intan Eka Maharani, NPM 04, and my friend Aisy Syafitri, NPM 32. Okay, first material will be presented by me. Thank you. Okay, I will present about definition of materials development. Materials development refers to the systematic process of creating, adapting, or refining material, usually educational research, so they are well cited for their intended audience, purposes, and context. It involves designing, creating, evaluating, and revising. Designing include planning context, structure, and methodology. Creating include developing original materials or modifying existing ones. Evaluating include checking effectiveness, relevance, and suitability. Revising include improving materials based on feedback and testing. Materials development is key in education, especially in language teaching, to ensure that research support learners' needs effectively. It can include textbook, digital research, activities, exercise, and more. Okay, next material will be presented by Aisy Syafitri. Aisy Syafitri, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. My name is Aisy Syafitri, NPM 32. I wanna explain about principles in materials development. For the first is learner centers. Materials should be relevant to the learner's background, experience, and needs. For example, business materials differ from academic materials. For the second is contextualization. Materials must be aligned with the cultural or local context, such as using local environmental topics in real. And the third is authenticity. Use real-world sources like news articles, YouTube videos, or official documents, rather than just teacher-created text. And the fourth is balance. Maintain a balance between skills like listening, speaking, reading, writing, recipient engagement, and an appropriate difficulty level. And the fifth is progression. The sequence of activities and skill development should evolve from simple to complex, while also revisiting previously learned skills. And the sixth is recycling and reinforcement. Is key language elements or skills should be repeated through various activities to strengthen understanding. And the seventh is flexibility. Materials should be adaptable to classroom conditions, organ needs, or changing methods. And the eighth is accessibility. Materials should be easily understood and used by both teachers and learners without requiring expensive equipment or superior internet access. And the last is reflectiveness. Materials should support reflections by both teachers and students on the learning process, what worked well and what needs environment. Okay, the next material is procedures in materials development. The steps in materials development are: the first is needs analysis. Conduct surveys or interviews with students and stakeholders like teachers and parents to identify language needs, skills, and learning styles. And the second is defining objectives. Formulate specific competencies to be achieved, like able to write a 200 until 250 word argumentative essay in English with the correct AEC structure. And the third is select and design content. Choose relevant topic, text, and activities, design media or tasks that support the objective. For the fourth is organize sequences. Arrange the logical sequence of materials, presentation to guide practice, to independent practice, and to evaluation. And the fifth is development of materials. Write script, create worksheets, models, PowerPoint presentation, infographics, audio, and video. For the sixth is piloting. Test materials in a small class or pilot to assess their effectiveness and relevance. And the seventh is evaluation and revision. Analyze pilot results, feedback from students and teachers to improve the materials. And the eighth is production. Publish the final version of the materials like print, electronic, like PDF, LMS, or media like audio or video. And the ninth is implementation and monitoring. Use the materials in class followed by monitoring effectiveness through observation or questionnaires. And the 10th is reflects and update. Conduct long-term evaluation. The material should be updated to reflect changes in context, feedback, or curriculum standards. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Materials development is a structured process that ensures educational research are engaging, effective, and responsive to learner needs. Guided by principles like relevance, authenticity, and balance, developers create materials that not only teach language skills but also respect learners' backgrounds and motivate them to relearn. This process involves thorough planning, testing, and revision to procedure finals materials that support learning goals in dynamic and meaningful ways. Ultimately, materials development plays a crucial role in enhancing teaching and learning experience in any educational setting. Okay, that's all from group 11. Sorry for our mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.